Today we are practicing rollback arm. So open by shifting your weight to the right, stepping out the left. Let's warm up with lifting water. Inhale up, exhale down. Breathing in as you float, breathing out as you sink. Inhale, exhale. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale, exhale. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Now let the hands float up. The right hand palm turn toward the sky, and we're going to turn the whole body to the left. And as we turn to the left hand rolls back and up in line with the shoulder. The palm comes in next to the ear, and then we turn to the front. Hands pass. Push, pull, right hand rolling back, left hand palm up to the sky, both hands up. Inhale. Turn, 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 push, and pull. Exhale. Breathing in, one arm rolls back and up. Breathing out, that same arm is pushing. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in, breathing out. Both hands flowing. We're turning the waist to the left, to the right. Our arms are rolling back to the left, to the right. And we are pushing with the left and with the right. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale. Exhale. Arms whirling. We are in a state of flow. Let's slow down. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in, breathing out. The eyes follow the turning of the head. We're turning the head to look at the dominant hand coming up and pushing out. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in, breathing out. Cross, separate, sink. Close the door. Gather chi. Rota Dantian. Follow me in a silent practice. Cool down, gathering chi, relaxing from head to toe. Gather chi, rhododendron. Shift weight to the right. Close the door. Thank you for joining me.